Chat. Alright. Let's go. So, right now I'm spawning decals and I need them to have different emissive values depending on the time of day that I set. Trying to think if there's like a better way to handle this with like a data file or something. Well, what happens here basically. See. This is where we create the decal, and when we call the event, we basically whatever subclass of this is going to pass the decal material that it wants, and then a unique location depending on the asset. So that's going to come in here. We have just this like static mesh component that pretty much all of our subclasses are going to use. So as the like main mesh, so we attach it to that and set the material. So I think here. I'm gonna take this and do maybe like set scale material interface object reference. I think I'm gonna have to convert this to like a dynamic material. Right, that's fine. Caution flags, none, whatever. But then with this, we can say set scalar parameter value. There we go. And then the show. Shit. Oh wait, yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. So. Oh crap. Oh yeah, of course. Okay. Attach actor and component. We're gonna create the materials, and then set. You know, we can set it after we do that. Okay. So as for that material, go here. Not props. Oh yeah. Look at our butt material. Well, we're just gonna go here. Okay. So basically, I have to take this output, pop it in here. Really. Oh wait, no, this is not for opacity. Okay. So we're gonna do. I do like set switch or something. I can't set like a Boolean value, but that's fine. So we're gonna have to do this. That's funny. I have to fix my booty pick. So we're gonna have to drive this. By default, we're gonna set it to 2.2, but I want to use, yes, yeah, I wish I could just use a select, but that's fine, that's fine. think that's what I'm using for my other materials emissive sort of multiplier variable. Because unfortunately you do gotta type that in every time. Materials. It's gonna be props. Where is this even at? Oh shit, it's there. Okay, so. Damn, I do want to move this over. Tools UV light. Copy there. And then for you, say parent is this one. So now sources there. No changes, please. As for this, what was I gonna do? Need to add in another parameter. Oh yeah, so I still need to find my other input value variable. Yeah. Just to be extra sure. Okay. So that's gonna be 2.2. So now with that variable exposed in the main class, call that variable, and then we say I need the day. No, not that. Maybe I just drive that as a variable from the game mode. Because I need to basically know when the daylight settings change and all that. So I think what I can do is from my controller setting, I'll update a variable in the game mode, and then I can pull from that for anything else. So come here and I go to my scene controller. It's gonna be here. I don't think it's gonna be here. It's in game settings, basically. Nope. Game editor. Oh. This is not really editor setting anymore. It's definitely part of the game. Oh wow, this is like, yes, this is directly calling to all the lights and like casting, not casting them, maybe it might be. But oof, that's rough. So what we'd like to do instead is we have this, and then we have, oh, what? Yeah, it's in Ghost Game, all right. Game settings, Ghost Game mode. Okay, so this is for when the game's actually running. And I'm gonna add this. Now from here, level, day, night. Yeah, so I basically have all these presets for different components here, post-process and atmosphere and whatnot. So yeah, we set the general temperature for the sun, the intensity, and then we have a post-process volume with this data struct that is literally just, the rollout of all the normal settings you get. Then we're just doing a series of settings for high fog because that actually exposes these as individual functions rather than just using a struct like that. This, I think, okay, yeah. So that is just taking the Boolean inputs that we use, that we have exposed in the editor, and updating those. And then this is casting to the lights and telling it day or night. And yeah, for day settings, it's like hard set, and then, yeah, so on and so forth. And then just the opposite over here. Cha cha cha. So what we want to do is from this, we're gonna have to try and rethink of, instead of casting to these, I think we'll just do like on begin play, it'll get the game mode variable. Um, these are okay to leave for like editor call functions, but let's see. So we don't cast to our game. I would say cast to. So on. Oh, okay. Cast to you, promote to variable. Okay, and then controller day and night. Oh, yeah. Alright, we're just gonna leave that for now, I guess. Set the whole day and night, so that's basically this bottom function here. The only difference is the Boolean that's getting passed through. So how can we rearrange that? I think that function being there is fine. To be honest, this is okay too. Hmm. So it's setting the light variables for the controller day or night. Okay. So that just means that wherever. Oh yeah, see, when we click to activate, we are casting there. So, It's like I don't want the lights to have to cast back to the controller. The controller just needs to send a one-way message to the lights saying, like, this is what your setting is. Now, well, no, that's not what we're setting up, right? We're putting the variable here. We're changing the variable there, and then instead of calling to that, we need to be calling to the game mode, which we should have stored. Here's BP Ghost Game Mode. So from the lights, Ghost Game Mode. Then we say day or night. Boom. Alright, so we have these variables already stored. We don't need to cast anything. Bam. Okay. So from our scene controller, we're going to be clicking set day or set night. Um, and whatever we do there is what we're passing into these. We don't need to tell the lights about the controller now. So this guy is day or night. Where are you being used? Just right here. So we don't need that. So we're trying, we got our reference to the ghost game mode, and we are changing its variable from day or night. And that's it. Then we click these options in the editor. That's choosing the variable or the Boolean value. And then we're passing that value to the controller or to the game mode. Okay. Yeah. Notate components, and this is just like for the other pieces, so yeah, I think that works. I'm gonna try to label these. Mm-hmm. Right. Okay, let's try and do this differently. Select this based on that. That goes in there. Okay. Same thing with this. Based on this index, use the output to set this variable. This can go, that can go in there. Cha-cha-cha. Okay. Bing, bada, boom. Why am I like this? Okay. There we go. I don't know what I was thinking before. Um, Dokie. I got these guys. Oh, okay. No, damn it. Let's just good old begin playing. Okay. So now you don't even exist here, do you? Fine. No, damn. Scene controller doesn't itself know. Hmm. That's fair. We only need the controller or the game mode to know. It's in use? What do you mean it's in use? No, it's not. Died. Okay. So basically setting the day or night there. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. Hopefully sequence nodes aren't expensive. Or like I don't know, don't incur a lot of cost. I like using them. Mm. Okay. I think that's gonna be alright. Yep. Cha. Then am I taking? Once every 10 seconds. Not bad, not bad. Okay. And, well, need to make sure now. Okay. Excuse. See, this light just like disappears. Access none, trying to read PP ghost game. Oh, okay. So in the light, trying to call it this, which means in our ghost objects, we're not getting the game mode. Oof. This game mode, begin play. Only on begin play are we setting that. How do I make this work in the editor? Maybe as I set. I want to do the editor functions here. Ugh, I'm gonna have to cast to every ghost object. I really don't want to do that. Okay, so for the lights, I'm trying to get this. Right, because this is the only editor function I even have. It's not valid. Let me see. Okay. No. Wait, what? Game mode based on your. Oh, yeah. God damn it. Well, I only have to do it once, it's fine. I wonder if the game mode even exists. If you're just in the editor. Well, we'll find out. Okay. Yeah, the casting is to the game mode is failing. Crap. It's quite lame. Alright. Well, since it's getting set here, then that means we need to set a local variable, just like the one I deleted. Alright. So we're gonna do that, and then here. We don't have that. We will get actor.